these coleus, they're growing pretty tall. I want them to get bushy before they get big, so I'm just going to snip their tops out, and I may just stick their tops in the ground like I did all these. But basically, I'm just going to cut this off right here. You're tall, so cut you off right there. Cut you off right here. And I'm going to leave that in there. He looks like he's getting too much water or something. So, snip these flowers off. Alright, that's all we're going to do right now. And I'll stick these cuttings in the ground right by these and see what they do.